Make a great choice today with the 2008 Veracruz. The Veracruz has both beauty and brains. This luxurious crossover seats 7 comfortably and received the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's highest 5-star front and side impact crash rating. Its 3.8-liter V6 engine, outputting 260 horsepower and 257 pound-feet of torque, promises power, and its smooth 6-speed automatic transmission offers a relaxing, comfortable ride and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, mini spare tire. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.